What if I told you, the secret to starting a thriving business in 2025 isn't about how much money you have. It's not about venture capital, hefty loans, or maxing out credit cards. Forget everything you thought you knew about traditional business startup costs. Because what you really need are these. These are not expensive software suites you need to subscribe to. These are not exclusive, invite-only platforms for tech gurus. In fact, most of what I'm about to show you can be accessed for absolutely free, or with incredibly generous free tiers. And with them, you can build a legitimate, income-generating business from the ground up, starting today, with literally zero upfront investment. In a world where everyone thinks you need thousands, even tens of thousands, to even get a business off the ground, we're flipping the script. We're talking about leveraging the cutting-edge power of artificial intelligence to create real value, build massive, engaged audiences, and generate significant, recurring income, all without touching your savings account. Stay with me for the next 40 minutes, because I'm not just going to tell you what you can do. I'm going to show you the exact, actionable strategies, the step-by-step processes, and the game-changing, free AI tools that will empower you to launch your very own AI-powered business. You don't need money, you need these tools. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear blueprint to start your entrepreneurial journey. Let's dive in. The topic: welcome, visionary entrepreneurs and aspiring creators. My name is Digipreneur, and today, we're embarking on a crucial journey to unlock the incredible, often overlooked, potential of AI in the entrepreneurial landscape of 2025. This isn't just theory, it's a practical, actionable roadmap to building a sustainable, profitable business without a single dollar in startup capital. We'll be exploring 4 high-potential business models that are perfectly suited for zero-cost launches. Then, we'll dive deep into the essential AI tools that make these businesses not just possible, but highly efficient and scalable. I'll show you exactly how to monetize your efforts, turning your creations into consistent income streams. And throughout, I'll be sharing practical tips and real-world insights to help you avoid common pitfalls and accelerate your success. Get ready to transform your understanding of what's truly possible in the digital economy. Main point 1. FACELSS channels. First up, one of the fastest growing and most accessible AI business ideas: faceless channels. Think about those incredibly popular YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, or even Instagram pages that generate millions of views and massive engagement without ever showing a single person's face. These channels are dominating niches from relaxation music, educational explainers, motivational quotes, documentary summaries, to even automated news updates. And the best part? I can automate nearly every aspect of their creation. Why are these so powerful? Because they remove the biggest barrier for many aspiring creators: the need to be on camera. They focus purely on value, information, or entertainment, making them highly scalable and less dependent on your personal brand. Here's how AI turns this into a zero-cost goldmine. Your primary tool here is ChatGPT. Need a script for a 5-minute explainer video on quantum physics? Ask ChatGPT. Want a list of motivational quotes for a daily Instagram reel? ChatGPT. Need a summary of the top 10 historical events of the past century? ChatGPT is your ghostwriter. Let's say you want to create a channel about fascinating historical facts. You'd prompt ChatGPT with something like, write a detailed 3-minute video script about the ancient city of Pompeii, focusing on its discovery and daily life. Include suggestions for visuals and a strong hook and outro. Within seconds, you have a solid, well-structured script. This saves you hours of research and writing. Now, how do you turn that script into a video without being a professional editor or buying expensive stock footage? Enter Pictory AI. You simply paste your ChatGPT-generated script into Pictory. Pictory's AI then analyzes your text and automatically selects relevant stock video clips, images, and background music from its vast library. It even adds voiceovers using AI-generated voices that are becoming incredibly realistic. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it solution for basic video creation. Think about the sheer volume of content you can produce. One ChatGPT prompt, A few clicks in Pictory, and you have a polished video ready for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. And for static visuals for Instagram or Pinterest, Canva is your best friend. With its free tier, you can design stunning graphics, infographics, and thumbnails using AI-powered templates and elements. Monetization for faceless channels is straightforward. YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing by recommending products or services in your niche, or selling your own digital products, which we'll discuss later. Imagine setting up multiple faceless channels, each generating passive income while AI does the heavy lifting. This isn't just a side hustle. For many, it's a full-time, highly profitable business. Main point 2. AI agencies and freelancing. Next, let's talk about providing AI services to other businesses, the AI agency or freelancing model. This is about leveraging your newfound AI skills to solve real-world problems for clients. Businesses, big and small, are hungry for AI solutions but often lack the expertise or budget to hire in-house AI developers. That's where you come in. You can offer a range of services: AI-powered content creation for their blogs and social media, highly effective marketing copy for their ads and email campaigns, automated customer service chatbots, or even those professional explainer videos we just talked about. And remember, you're using free tools to deliver these high-value services. Consider a small e-commerce store that needs product descriptions, blog posts, and social media updates. Instead of hiring a full-time content writer, they hire you. You use ChatGPT to generate compelling product descriptions quickly, then use Canva to create eye-catching social media visuals. For blog posts, you can even use tools like Phrase, which has a free tier, in conjunction with ChatGPT to optimize content for SEO, helping their site rank higher on Google. Imagine a local restaurant that wants a chatbot for their website to answer FAQs, take reservations, and show menus. You can build a basic chatbot using free platforms like many of Google Cloud's AI tools or other simple chatbot builders that integrate with ChatGPT's API. Though API usage might incur a small cost, the initial build can be free. You're providing immense value by automating their customer service. Your monetization here is direct service fees. You charge clients for your expertise and the results you deliver, not for the tools you use. You can offer one-off projects, hourly rates, or even recurring monthly retainers for ongoing content or service management. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are great places to find your first clients, but simply reaching out to local businesses with a portfolio of AI-generated samples can be incredibly effective. This business model has virtually no overhead and immense profit potential. Main point 3. Newsletters and community building. Third on our list is building a highly engaged audience through niche newsletters and community building. This is about becoming an authority in a specific area and building a direct connection with your audience, which is incredibly valuable in today's crowded digital space. The beauty of this model is its simplicity and low barrier to entry. You pick a niche you're passionate about, or one where you see a clear information gap: AI news, sustainable living tips, forgotten history facts, productivity hacks, local community updates, anything. Then, you use AI to power your content creation. Your core tool here is Beehive. Beehive offers a fantastic free tier that allows you to start and grow your newsletter with advanced features normally found in paid platforms. It's incredibly user-friendly and designed for rapid growth. How does AI help? ChatGPT is your ultimate content engine. Imagine you run a newsletter about the future of AI in healthcare. You can prompt ChatGPT to generate a summary of the latest AI breakthroughs in medical diagnostics, or an article on ethical considerations of AI in patient care. It provides the initial draft, headlines, and even ideas for calls to action. For visuals, again, Canva is indispensable. You can create eye-catching banners, custom graphics, and social media promotional material for your newsletter, all within its free capabilities. Consistency is key with newsletters, and AI helps you maintain a high volume of quality content without burnout. Beyond the newsletter itself, you can build a community around your niche. This could be a free Discord server, a private Facebook group, or simply leveraging the comments section of your Beehive newsletter. This community fosters engagement, provides direct feedback, and creates a highly loyal audience, which is crucial for monetization. Monetization for newsletters is incredibly diverse. Once you have a decent subscriber base, you can integrate affiliate links to relevant products or services. For example, if you're writing about AI tools, you can link to those tools and earn a commission. You can attract sponsorships from companies looking to reach your specific audience. And, perhaps most powerfully, you can offer premium, paid subscriptions for exclusive content, deeper insights, or private community access. This is a recurring revenue model built purely on providing consistent value. Main point 4. Digital products. Finally, we arrive at one of the most scalable and profitable zero-cost AI business ideas: creating and selling digital products. This is where you package your knowledge, your skills, or AI-generated content into something tangible that people can purchase and download. Digital products can take many forms: e-books, printable templates, online courses, even simple ones, comprehensive guides, checklists, or even unique AI prompt packs. The startup cost? Virtually none, when you leverage AI. Let's say you want to create an ebook on mastering ChatGPT for beginners. ChatGPT can generate the entire outline, write chapters, create summaries, and even brainstorm bonus content ideas. You simply guide its output and refine it. Then, you use Canva's free tier to design a professional-looking ebook cover, format the internal pages, and create any necessary graphics or illustrations. You can even use Canva to design simple online course slides or worksheets. For audio aspects of a course, or if you're creating an AI-generated audiobook, you can use text-to-speech tools that often have free tiers or very affordable options for basic use. The key here is to provide valuable, niche-specific content that solves a problem or teaches a skill. Monetization is direct sales. Platforms like Gumroad or Payhip allow you to host and sell your digital products with very minimal fees, often just a percentage of the sale. Meaning you can start selling today without building a complex e-commerce website. You simply upload your product, set your price, and share the link. Marketing can be done through your faceless channels, your newsletter, or social media, again, all leveraging free AI tools for content creation. This is truly a passive income dream. You create the product once with AI, and it can sell indefinitely, generating income while you sleep. Imagine having a portfolio of 5, 10, or even 20 digital products, each contributing to your financial freedom. Recap and synthesis. So, to recap, we've walked through 4 powerful, zero-cost AI business ideas for 2025. 1. Faceless channels. Leveraging AI for content creation and video production to build massive audiences. 1. AI agencies and freelancing. Providing high-value AI-powered services to businesses without overhead. 1. Niche newsletters and community building. Becoming an authority and building direct relationships with your audience for recurring revenue. 1. Digital products. Packaging your knowledge and AI-generated content into scalable, passive income streams. 1. And your essential toolkit? ChatGPT for content generation, Canva for stunning visuals, Beehive for building your audience, and Pictory for automated video creation. These tools, largely available on free tiers, are your unfair advantage. Call to action. The future of entrepreneurship is here, and it's powered by AI. The barriers to entry have never been lower. You don't need a massive budget, a fancy office, or even advanced technical skills. What you need is an idea, these free tools, and the determination to take action. My challenge to you is simple. Pick just one of these ideas that resonates most. Start small, experiment, and learn as you go. Consistency is far more important than perfection in the beginning. The biggest difference between those who succeed and those who don't is simply getting started. If this video has sparked an idea or ignited your entrepreneurial spirit, please hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe to Digipreneur for more actionable insights into the world of AI and online business. All the links to the tools mentioned, along with additional resources, are in the description below. Your journey to a zero-cost, AI-powered business starts now. Go build something incredible,